Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited because my Boxycharm is here and I actually grabbed it on the way to New York City because right now I am in New York for a New York Fashion Week. So just in case you hear like sirens or people screaming or like anything happening like in the background, it's just the way it is in the city, so I'm sorry about the crazy noises that you might hear in this video. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. And sorry, I'm like getting over a cold, so I'm like really raspy and sniffly, but yeah, I'm like pretty much better now. So let's go ahead and unbox this month's Boxycharm. The theme for this month is Afterglow, and I think that this month's box is all about Valentine's Day, which is like right around the corner. So the first thing in my box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which is like one of my absolute favorite mascaras. It's one of the best out there, so I'm really excited to get like a full-size Better Than Sex mascara because it is one of the more pricey mascaras. The next thing in my Boxycharm is a bronzer from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and the shade is called Sun-Kissed Snitch. It's super cute and the packaging is literally everything. Like, I just want to hoard these for the packaging. Next is a primer from Touch in Soul Cosmetics, and the primer is called No Problem, which is super cute. It's definitely like a blurring primer that's gonna just smooth your skin out, get rid of any textures, and smooth out your pores. So the next thing is from Nude Stix, and I've heard of this brand a lot, but I've never tried any of their products, so I'm really excited for this one. It's a magnetic eyeshadow stick, so I'm probably gonna try this out tomorrow because I want to be a little bit more edgy and like experimental, so this will be totally perfect. But this is just a copper magnetic eyeshadow stick. And I already have the last thing in my box. So this is the Koko Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro, and I love this cream. First of all, the best thing about these creams is that they're in a tub, so they're really easy to travel with because you don't have to worry about them exploding all over your luggage. You just screw the cap on, and no matter what, they're not gonna leak or get on your stuff. I really have trouble packing lotions because you never know what's gonna happen, you know? Like, I've had so many beauty products just smashed in my luggage. So I love the packaging for this. It's super awesome to travel with, and I love that this is like a deluxe travel size lotion because I can carry this with me everywhere. And since I'm in New York right now, I actually like really need it because it's super dry here compared to Miami where I live. So that was my Boxycharm for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. If you guys want to learn more about Boxycharm, go ahead and click the link down below and let me know what you guys got in your box this month. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.